we're doing more piggy endings. I got into it. So, let's, just go into it. Okay. Is this doggy? Oh, yep, it's his friends. Yep, it's his friend. Oh, no. I'm not trying. Oh, God, I'm trying. So, we got an issue. We got a big issue. We really do. Because I don't want them calling me. Wait, which one is it? No. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do this. We get a server and we get a station server. That would be amazing. Please. I just need to do station. All I need to do is station. And then next video's gallery. Please. It worked out perfectly. Can't get any luckier. So, but if it's traitor, I'm gonna cry. And if I'm traitor, no one gonna die. Because I want to see these endings. Traitor has been selected. I'm it. No. Do not worry about the traitor and piggy. No. Please, no. This is not gonna go well. Let me just move the webcam down here. So they can just hold an item and keep it all game, and that could just be bad. Unless they fall in acid. That would just, like, right here. That would be amazing. So, I might as well just glitch. Part 2 to glitching and, part 2 to, Oh! Okay, so green key goes over here, right? Yeah. Yellow key, yellow. Okay, we need to get red keys, glitch. Someone already died. If that was a traitor, no! Why? You don't have to do this. No! Don't have to do this. Don't have to do this. You can if you want, but you don't have to. This is... Okay, I gotta worry about this cleaner thing. So basically, we can already get in the exit. Because I already know where wrench is. Right here. Lady, I'm gonna get you killed. I've been playing Fortnite earlier, and cars came out, so if you guys want to see that, that will be tomorrow's. I swear, if you're the traitor, I'm useless. Cha-ching! Yes! So this is glitch video, part 2, I guess, as well. Listen, I don't want to do it. This was a traitor. Why do I feel like like that's the trader right there. So this is bad. Okay, so hopefully we get to beat this. Only no. Why? You've got to be kidding me. I might as well just not do this. I'm so bad. Dude, how much worse can this get? Who even is a traitor? If they escape, I'm gonna end the video. If they open this door. Just imagine you don't even need the gas and they just escape. They got the right key. Do not fail me. Okay, these people are the last ones. They're chilling on top of the car. That's amazing. Guys, leave it in the comments. What should I do tomorrow? Should I do the cars video for the Fortnite thing? Or should I do the chapter 3 if we get to beat this at all? Oh, she's the traitor. I had a bad feeling about her. Dude, guts can always save your life. I had a bad feeling about her. She saved my life in Piggy. She just went down there. Boom. First killed the game. Just guess. Well, guys, I don't know what to do. Now I'm gonna go with my friend's VIP server and see what they're doing in there. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, this might be good. This might be good. So I'm sneaking in my friend's... What am I doing? So this better work? Oh, I hope this works. I gotta go on the Discord with my friends so they can help me. But you guys can't hear them. This is terrible. So this. Okay. I'm just gonna sit back and relax. Okay, so station has been selected. Time to sit down and relax again. Oh, what's happening? Oh my god. Wait, what mode? Player and bot. I gotta get RTG Rival to do this stuff, dude. I gotta get him to do this. I can just act like I get him around the corner on accident, but then I just actually get him. No, I shouldn't do that. Okay. So, this is gonna end bad. I only got 6 minutes to do this. Oh no. I love crouch ways. It's the best crouch way in the game. So just for an easier shortcut, we got this open. And just so we can get stuff out of the way, I got this. And we got that. Sorry guys if you don't like me glitching, but I want to see these endings. So basically when, like I said, like 5 minutes or something, wait, oh my god, dude. Wait a minute. Okay, that was the easiest thing in my life. We basically already escaped once we opened the door. Hopefully I don't... Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. That's a bad pig. Okay, so I'm very focused right now, so sorry if I don't talk that much. But, we need to get out of this. This is gonna end bad, this is gonna end bad, this is gonna end bad. If I die, I'm gonna have to end the video. In the next video, we're gonna have to do station, which hopefully I'll be home tomorrow. Dude, forgot Piggy can walk on acid. This is bad. This is terrible. Yeah, I don't like this. You can stop. Piggy, you can stop. You can stab it. Stab it. Is this pig good? It's learning how to walk upstairs. Yay. No. Okay, time to place on this ugly plank. So, I'll go over here. I'll do this. Okay, nothing over here. What a waste of time. Just, wow. Wrench, useless. I forget where I put yellow key. Dude, this is bad. Please. Oh, no, I can't. Of course I can't. I think it's where the saves. I think it's where the... Yes! White key. Where hammer is. Hammer! Screw yellow key! And guys, I do have a TikTok. It's just Finter. That's all it is. It's just Finter. So, you can go follow that. I post content every day on there. So, hopefully TikTok doesn't get banned. If it does, why? Dude, I'm gonna have to end the video soon. Dude, I got a minute left, and I'm gonna have to glitch. Dude, I'm gonna have to glitch to get the gas. Because remember? Dude, I'm standing up because I'm nervous. That's what I do sometimes. I don't know why. Don't question it. Okay, so we're gonna be able to see this ending, I think, before the video ends. Please, 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 please. Dude, I'm so nervous. I swear if I get killed right here, I'm gonna end. So we gotta do this fast. I only got like 20 seconds left on the video. So guys, this is my outro right here. Give me the ending. This is my outro right here, so the video might end right now. Okay, so, bye guys, basically. Bye. This is all the ending we get to see.